my channel. My name is Yashika and today I am going to show you how you can make this beautiful quilling card. This is very easy to make, very simple steps. So now let's get started.
So at first I am going to take my off-white colored paper and fold it in half. Now I am going to mark 1 centimeter on each side and make a boundary. Today I decided not to mention the material you need in the video because the duration was already getting long. So I have mentioned all the things in the description box. If you need, you can check it out. As you can see, all the lines are done. So now I'm going to cut it using a cutter and a scissor both. It's your preference. If you want only cutter, you can use that as well, or only scissor will also work. I use cutter only to make few marks so that it's easier for me to work with scissors. Our frame is now ready, but we need to decorate it. So for that I am going to cut out few strips. The measurement for the strips will be 0.7. You can cut out as many strips as you want. It also depends on the size of the grid you want. To stick the strips to the frame, you can follow the steps shown in the video. The extra part that I just cut out, I am reusing it wherever it fits so that there are least number of strips I need to cut. As you can see, one side is completed. Now we will go for the other side. The steps are basically the same, but to form perfect squares, I am taking help of the previous strips that are stuck here. To form a perfect grid, I am going to apply glue on the previous strips to avoid any gap between the two layers. Now to have a background, I am going to use dark blue colored paper and cut it in half. We will use only the half as we need only for the grid. Place it and check the measurements. Cut out any extra part if there is. After getting the accurate size, paste the paper to the grid. As you can see some gap between the paper and the grid, I am going to apply few dots of glue below the joints to paste them together. To make this flower, I am going to take 3 mm brown colored strip and going to attach half pink colored strip to it. All the strips are going to be 3 mm. Now I am going to roll it and make a tight coil. I am going to loosen it up a little and make a circle. Make 5 such circles of same size. Pinch them from any of the sides and place them together. After checking the position, you can stick them to each other. To pick it up from the surface, I am going to use my scale. To make the center part, I am using 1/4 of orange colored strip. Stick this on top of the flower. Total we need such 6 flowers. Now to make the smaller flower, I am going to use 1.5 strip of pink color. All the steps will be the same, but the only difference will be that I will not loosen this up as much I did it for the previous flower. Steps to make the center part is same for all the flowers. For the leaves, you can take any shade of green and make a tight coil. I am going to loosen this up more than we did for the bigger flower because we want our leaves to be longer. To give it a proper leaf shape, I am going to pinch it from both the sides. Using any shade of green, make more leaves as much as you want. After finalizing the position of the flowers and the leaf, you can stick them to the base. And this is how I decided my card to look like. You can try the exact same design or similar design as well. At first I am going to stick all the flowers of a side and later the leaves. If you want, you can even change the color scheme and add more colors to this, or you can even add more flowers. To make this type of leaf, I am going to use light green colored leaf and add 1/8 of dark green colored strip. I have curved it using the scissors. You can even increase or decrease the size of the strip according to your design. Now the last step is to add some half cut beads. I am sticking them on the joints and our card is ready.
That's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did while making this. So we'll meet you next week. Bye.